Setting up your Salts Gone Dilution Pump is simple, and once it's installed, it makes using Salts Gone faster and easier every time you wash your boat. In this video, we'll walk through the complete installation, show you how to set up the proper dilution ratio, and explain a simple 2-hose setup that gives you instant access to both Salts Gone and fresh water. Before getting started, take a moment to lay out the pump and the included components. You'll need a few items for your installation, including mounting hardware appropriate to your surface, your water hoses, a Salts Gone 5-gallon pail, and for the setup we're showing today, we're going to have a standard garden Y hose splitter. The Y splitter isn't required for the pump to operate, but we highly recommend it, and you'll see why in just a moment. The pump includes two options for the 3/4 inch water inlet. If your incoming water pressure is 60 psi or below and doesn't fluctuate, use the standard inlet fitting. If your water pressure may exceed 60 psi or fluctuates when using it, use the inlet fitting with the pressure regulator. This helps keep the pump supplied with the proper pressure while still allowing plenty of water flow. At the water source, we're installing a Y splitter before the pump. One side of the Y will remain connected directly to a fresh water hose. The other side supplies water to the Salts Gone Dilution Pump. This is important because the dilution pump doesn't switch back and forth between water and Salts Gone. Once water is flowing through the pump, that hose is your Salts Gone hose. By using the Y, you will always have one hose ready with fresh water and another ready with Salts Gone. Next, choose a convenient location for the pump, mounted vertically on a solid surface, close enough to both your water source and your Salts Gone 5-gallon pail, so that everything can be connected comfortably. Position the mounting bracket, mark your holes, and secure it with the appropriate hardware for your mounting surface. Once the bracket is secure, slide the pump into place. Now we can connect the water supply. Make sure you've identified the inlet and outlet sides of the pump before installing the fittings. Seat the supplied O-rings properly, install the connections, and snug them down securely. Connect the water supply coming from the Y to the pump inlet. On the outlet side, connect the hose you'll be using to apply the Salts Gone. There's no need to over-tighten the connections. We just want everything secure and leak-free. Next, we'll connect the clear pickup tube that draws Salts Gone into the pump. Remove the locking cover at the bottom of the pump, make sure the internal check valve connection is secure, feed the tube into place, and reinstall the locking cover. Make sure this connection is seated properly. An air leak on the suction side can prevent the pump from drawing product correctly. Route the clear tube into your Salts Gone 5-gallon pail and place the filtered end into the product. Make sure the pickup remains submerged while the system is being used. Now we'll set the dilution ratio. Salts Gone should be applied at a 1:100 dilution ratio, or 1%. Loosen the locking collar of the adjustment assembly. Turn the adjustment handle until the indicator lines up with 1%. Then tighten the locking collar back into place. Once this is set, there's no need to manually measure Salts Gone every time you use the system. The pump will automatically draw and mix the product as the water flows through it. With everything connected, slowly turn on the water supply. Check the inlet and outlet connections for leaks, then open up the Salts Gone hose and allow water to flow. Watch the clear pickup tube as the system starts. You should see the Salts Gone begin moving through the pump as it starts to prime. Once you have a steady flow and everything is leak-free, installation is complete. The Salts Gone Dilution Pump is capable of flowing up to 10 gallons per minute, provided your water source can supply that amount. Actual flow will always depend on the water supply available at your home, dock, marina, or wash location. And this is where the 2-hose setup really pays off. Your Salts Gone hose stays connected to the dilution pump and is always ready at the proper 1:100 mixture, while your second hose remains straight fresh water. That means there's no stopping and disconnecting hoses, changing fittings, or switching the pump back to fresh water. And when your water supply has enough capacity, both hoses can be used at the same time. One person can apply the Salts Gone, while the other follows with fresh water, or you can simply keep both hoses nearby and grab whichever one you need. Once it's installed, the system takes the measuring and mixing out of using Salts Gone. It's a simple setup designed to make protecting your boat from salt faster, easier, and more convenient every time you get off the water.